circle ones. We found ginger. We are looking for sweet butter.
Butter. Right here. Butter.
Yeah, butter.
Okay, what else we need, Gemma?
We need molasses.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Ta-da! We came back from the store. First, 3 cups of flour. Jade, put.
2 tablespoons.
On the table. That's enough, Jaden. Oh, cereal. Cinnamon. 1 teaspoon. Put on 1 egg. Egg. Just push down, then open. No. This is next. What is sweet butter? There's kind of chunks in there. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Drop 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Mommy, can pour it in?
Yeah, pour in.
No. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Blend the mix. I can do it a little bit. Make everything easy for you. How about I do this? How about I do this side? I'm gonna make that part smooth. Oh no! Stop! Whoa! You do the rest. It's barely touching. Gemma, so easy. So easy.
Good job.
Can we make whatever shape we want out of our hands?
Oh, yeah.
A whole bunch. Gemma, did you grab that? It smells good. Smash! Do you want this? Smash! Let's play with food. Not eat. Whoa, flat. Too flat. Look how much my hands. Oh my gosh. Then look at my hands. Whoa, Jaden. Put it on the roller.
Or.
I'm putting in gingerbread man. And make yay and turn his legs straight. And look how white is it. Look, it's white. And then too. Mixed together.
What are you making?
A snowman.
Snowman.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
1, 2. No. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jane. Done. Let's go and turn on the oven, then bake the cookie.
Let's go.
Let's go. 75.
Yeah, let's wait till oven is preheat. Okay,
Now
ready?
you're gonna put it in the oven.
Let's turn on the oven
Can
door.
Mom?
Oh, sure, I will. So, okay, I will do it. It's hot.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then timer set.
timer set.
Ooh, looks good. Is it yours?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's see.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, too much.
You have to press the timer set.
Oh, timer set.
Good job. Let's check it. Let's check it. Jaden's here. Ooh. Cool, cool. Let's cool it down.
Let me close it down.
Good job, guys. Ooh, let's cool down and decorate, okay?
Yeah. Ta-da! 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 We made the cookies.
Let's see.
And baked them.
Let's taste. That's Jaden's turn.
Bread. Well, repeat.
Yeah, how's it?
We're gonna spread some frosting. This one has a hole right there. So let's make some buttons. Fix my teeth with all the white. Wow, that's so rainbowy. Jim, look at this one. Look at my snowman. Jim, look at my snowman. That's a rainbow. Too yummy. Snowman. Santa maybe love it. I hope Santa will love our cookies. Ta-da! This is our gingerbread man.
Let's see. Ooh, it's all Jaden.
Let's tell our names now.
Oh, you have a names?
Boo for carrot and boo for gingerbread man, boo for gingerbread man, boo for tree, boo for heart, boo for J.
Oh,
And
it's
a
all
for
beautiful.
snowman.
Beautiful. How about you, Gemma?
G. His name is G.
His name is G.
He's not a boy. Pinky. Color. He has a lot of colors. Dot. Pink dot. Pink coat. Greeny. Here comes our cookie with Santa.
Why did you make a cookie, Jaden?
For Santa at Christmas night.
Ooh, for Christmas Eve
Yeah.
night. Oh,
And we'll give him milk and these cookies. How many cookies do you want to give to Santa? 4. Which one? That one, that one, that one, that one. How about you, Gemma? I'm gonna do 3. Which one? That. I'll put it. Thank you for watching. Gemma, Jaden, Gingerbread Man.